In this lesson, we will learn how to create a Welment profile. To create a Welment profile, first you have to take a simple part file. Inside that part file, you have to create a profile. So this is a part file. Now on this front plane, take a new sketch and create a custom type of profile. My profile is done. Next step is you have to create some pairs point. You can see there are few points are showing. All of these points you can use as a pairs point. If you want to create a new pairs point, in that case, you can also do that. I'm going to create a new pairs point. So this will be my new pairs point. Put some angle. My profile is done, so close this sketch. Next step is I have to save it. Before you save it, you have to make sure that this sketch is selected. If you don't select this sketch and try to save it, it will not save. So select this sketch, then go to File, Save As, then go to Welment Profile directory, SolidWorks, Language, English, Welment Profiles. Inside it, I will save this profile, so go inside it. Now you can see there are two standards are showing. I will create a new standard called Custom. Inside this standard, I have to create a new folder which will be my type. As a type, I will select ellipse. Then go inside it. Inside this folder, I am going to save this file. To save this file, don't save it as a part file. From this drop down menu, select this library feature. You have to select this part file as a library feature. So select it. Then put some name, 2 inch by 1 inch by 0.25 inch. When I change this category, SolidWorks bring me to this temporary design library file which I don't want. So select this safe folder, then program files, then SolidWorks Corporation, SolidWorks, Language, English, Welment Profiles, then this custom profile where I'm going to save it, this ellipsis standard, and here I'm going to save it. Now save it. And here you can see this sketch icon is changed, as well as this is a different file format. That means this is a library feature part file. I successfully added this profile inside the design library. So close this. Now we will apply this. Create a very simple layout. Close this. Activate structural member. From this standard, now I'll be able to select my custom standard. Then as a type ellipse, inside this ellipse, I just added only one size which is 2 inch by 1 inch by 0.25 inch. Select it, then select this line and press OK. You will see that this is that result. I also created a custom pairs point. So right click and go to edit to check, make sure that is working. At bottom, this is locate profile. You can use any point from here. Let's say if I want to use this point, I can work with this. Now I will select this point as a pairs point. And you can say this is working.